Markup beta in Illustrator. Marking up beta in Illustrator is a new technique that involves using vector graphics to create precise and scalable design prototypes. Start by setting up a new document with specific dimensions. Use Illustrator's robust tools to draw and customize shapes, add text, and incorporate graphics. Apply colors, gradients, and styles to enhance visual appeal. Before using the markup beta technique in Illustrator, I created a logo for a BC featuring a blue color scheme. The font I have used here is called Ash, and it's absolutely free font. It is also free for commercial use and absolutely free for personal use. And this is very beautiful font, you can download it easily. I definitely talk about free fonts in every tutorial of mine, so please check out my other videos too. Thanks. For the letter BC logo, I've used gradient colors. You can use them as best you can until your logo comes out well and you work on it. This new technique of Illustrator is very useful. You can do great work on print media with it and can make your project very interesting. You must apply it. This logo design considered several important elements: the simplicity and clarity of the design, ensuring it's easily recognizable; the color choice, which evokes trust and professionalism; the scalability, making sure it looks great at any size; and the versatility, allowing it to be effective in various contexts, such as print, web, and merchandise. These factors ensure that the ABC logo is not only visually appealing, but also functional and memorable. This method leverages Illustrator's precision and flexibility, allowing for easy adjustments and refinements, resulting in high-quality, professional markups ideal for both digital and print media.